Hey guys, Bruce from CellPro here. Just doing the screen replacement on a 14 Pro Max. Yeah, here we go. Let's get started. Take out the pencil loops here. I think this screen's been opened, so again, it's going to be an easier one to open. Get the old razor blade out here. Oops. Jam it in there. And slip that guy in. Wow, that just... that actually didn't take the thing off. It took the... There we go. Okay, so that's better. Let's run that bad boy down the side like so. Again, this has been opened before, so it makes it like 10 times easier to take off. Jeez, thought it did, but there we go. Avoid cutting myself there. There we go. Up around the edges. Oh geez, I'm really hitting this phone, aren't I? All right, this guy's open. I'm just gonna adjust the camera a little bit here. Taking the tri-wing. We're putting the screws on the mat in the same order that they came out. I think these are all the same size, but you never know, you know. Little spudger. Now, first thing we're gonna do is boop, disconnect that battery, boop, boop, and find out where that screw came from. Oh, I know where that screw came from. It came from the very top screw in the bracket. All right, so now we're gonna remove these guys, put the main board aside. And again, since this screen has been removed already, everything comes out a little bit easier the second time. However, I am going to heat it up, so I'm just going to pause the video. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Now, I didn't use my heat mat. I just used my heat gun to heat this guy up. Heat mat is good because I want to try and preserve the screen, but my heat gun will burn the screen. This one, and I don't care if it burns it because we're tossing it anyways. We're not trying to save it. So, all right, so 14 Pro Max. This is a mid-grade 14 Pro Max. It's a AQ7, so it's a good little screen. It'll work okay, but it's still gonna have its flaws and everything. It's still fairly basic, but gets the customer up and running for a price outside of like $700. So, anyways, take this bad boy off. Let's put these in place. There we are. Those are in place there. They kind of just hang out. This one isn't sticking well, but such is life. We'll get that to go. There you go. So let's pick up the screw. Put her in like so. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah, okay, good. Like so. So that's in there. Now we come back. Put this, connect it. And come on, connect. Let's give her a test, make sure she's turning on. Yep, there we go. So she is turning on. Cool. Excellent. So now we're just gonna go like that. So there. That bad boy's in place now too. Now, just to be clear, when you're doing this repair, heat is your friend. So try and save your OLED if you can, but you probably don't have the tools to do that. Isopropyl alcohol is good when you're taking the screen off, and just put a little bit of isopropyl around here, work it in, and you'll know when it's ready because it'll start coming off. I have a special tool to do it. In this case, obviously, we didn't need to use the tool because we're not trying to save the OLED. So I will post a video later on about that, and I'll try and link it in this profile about how you use isopropyl and a clamp machine in order to properly get that off. But anyways, it's just, this repair is super easy because it's been done. Once you do a screen once, every other time after that, it's significantly easier to do. But also you don't get to salvage the OLED original OEM screen. So those are the two gives and takes on that. Anyways, so now again, we look around the edges, look to see if there's any screws there that can prevent us from putting this guy into place. Oh, what's this here? There we go. All right, now we're gonna close this guy up. Turn her on. And there we have it. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Like and subscribe, or subscribe to the channel if you could, please. That'll help me make more videos like this. And thank you very much.